I'm Izzy and welcome to the second part of Organisation February. In this video we're going to be talking about how you can organise your life using Google Calendar. I started using it properly in October and since then it's really helped me stay on track of my university work and helped me stay organised. If you're doing a university course, you can set up your Google Calendar so that all of your university modules go on automatically. However, my boyfriend has to pick his own modules and the times in which he wants to do them, and you can simply add this on and do repeat weekly and add in the location of where your class is. Next, Google Calendar is also available on lots of different devices. This is really useful if you're out and about and you want to check your schedule. You can do it on your phone, or if you're in your house and you have Google Calendar on your laptop or computer, you can simply change it as it goes. And I think it's much easier to use on a laptop because if an event changes, you can easily just drag the event and change it to where it should be. Google Calendar also lets you colour code your events. So I have yellow for university, green for sports, red and black for important things like assignments and exams, blue for days that I'm on placement, and purple for content creation. You can also create more than one calendar within one calendar. So this means that I have a separate calendar for all of my content creation ideas, and it just means that I can simply unclick the button if I don't want to see it, and it just helps make it a little bit simpler and a little bit easier to use rather than being bombarded with absolutely everything that you are doing. Another useful feature of Google Calendar is that you can create a bullet point list in the event that you are doing or attending. So I will quite often use this to create a to-do list for the next day, and that just means that I know exactly what I'm doing that day and I will simply just delete them once I have completed that task. Momentum is also a really good app that you can use on your laptop or computer to create your main goals for today, and I talked a little bit more about that in my previous video about how to stay organised, so I will link that above and down below. Finally, Google Calendar lets you send invites to your friends, which is really useful, especially for me and my boyfriend, as he's not quite as organised as I am, but it means I can just send him an invite and I'll get an email saying when the event is, what's happening, and he can simply click on yes, no or maybe to the event, and that's just been a really good way for him to know what's happening and also to add it to his Google Calendar as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's given you a really small overview of just how brilliant Google Calendar is to help you organise your life. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more organisational videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!